The job skills that we're teaching them here goes beyond collision repair. We are preparing them for life.
So we're not just teaching how to be an auto mechanic. We're teaching the multiple pathways that auto mechanics can take.
The program is amazing. We learned so much and we still have yet to learn a lot.
The program's a 3-year course that starts in our 2nd year of high school. So each year has a different curriculum.
So throughout the 10th grade, they'll learn various aspects of safety, detailing, tools. Tools it's a big part of the program.
We learned how to fully detail a car. We learned buffing, sanding, taking and removing parts.
In the 11th grade, they'll get into damage analysis. This is where we start combining physics. In the 12th grade, they'll get into masking, into prepping, into finalizing all the work, making sure that the car is perfect, all the work has been done, and now let's apply some paint on there.
So for part of the time, we'll have lessons, which we'll learn about the theory, and for the other half, we'll work on actual cars that come in, stuff that we have donated to us.
We're fortunate enough that we're up to date with the technology, and this is done because of our involvement with the industry. Our business partners, huge factor in the success of the program.
They also provide internships. Let's face it, CTE, the first word is career. They provide that real-world career experience for our students.
In my 12th grade, I was doing an internship in a body shop in Mid-Island. It's called Mid-Island Collision, and we worked over there with customer cars every day.
The best part of the collision repair program is opportunities. And just to know that I'm receiving these certifications, that there are technicians out there that pay for this kind of stuff, and I'm receiving this as part of my education is just amazing.
After I graduated from here, I went to college. I'm in Queens College right now. So I'm applying for the BMW STEP program in order to get my skills better because I want to do this for the rest of my life. I want this to be my career.
My GPA is around a 3.9. I'm ranked number 7 in the school out of 510. I'm currently applying for a BMW STEP program, but as well as that, I also plan to continue my education and going to part-time night school at Baruch.
The ultimate goal for them is to become more employable in whatever they do. One of the most important things I teach them here and I emphasize on them is the ability to think on their own, to think critically. Should students decide that they want to get into collision repair, that's great. They're actually very well prepared for that.
After I graduate, I want to go to college, and from the looks of it, I want to pursue this career because we have so much fun and it's a great learning experience too.